You might catch him on the way around.
So we're back, Beach Bend Raceway Park. Last episode we figured out the Omega is a super turd.
I agree. We're gonna do some mad skids out here. My hometown is home place is Australia. They do some pretty wicked burnouts. These things, I hope in my mind they do some wicked burnouts, but there's only one way to find out.
Yeah, and last time we kind of figured out both of these cars will do a burnout, sort of. So I think today our goal should be donuts.
Ooh. If one of them can do it, I'll clap. Whatever one can do a donut, I will applaud all day.
Great, I'll move the Nova out of the way.
I saw it rolling over there. My clothes, my jacket's in here, it's gonna reek. Uh-oh, it's smoking a whole bunch.
Is it?
Yeah, can you get out?
Yeah, get the fire extinguisher just in case it's got a bunch of oil. The door's stuck again.
How'd you get out of this thing last time?
I don't know, man. It's got to be something with the lock. Well, it did this before and it just magically started working again.
It's this.
Yeah,
it allows,
pull it up.
This allows everything to...
2 hours later.
Wait. Oh, that's just leaky gaskets is all it is.
It sounds like a barbecue. It doesn't smell like one.
Oh, the new water pump's working fine.
That was way more eventful than I thought it would be.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I can't wait to see the footage.
I didn't think it would actually do anything.
The Nova is not lame. The Omega, while it kind of did a donut, maybe.
It just was consistent spinning, controlled spinning.
Yeah.
This thing got a little rowdy, which I kind of like.
Yeah, which that is no small feat in a car with an open differential.
Yeah.
Yeah, this needs nothing. As you can see, it's in mint condition. Hop in it, drive to California.
Self-cools, it's all good to go. The viewers can decide what they want, but this thing wins the donut burnout competition in my books.
Yeah. Which car is the lamest? Is it the Omega? Is it the Nova? In our opinion, so far, through our scientific research, we have found the Omega to be lame.
But it's up to you. Let us know what you think. Hopefully these things will make it back to work because we've got to actually drive these away from the track now.
Yeah, and I've got some actual work I've got to do.
Yeah, nah, this was science. This is science. All right, let's go.
You move the handle, push the button, nothing happens.
Was you pulling on it?